Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Monies. Today, we will learn how to use data validation function to create drop-down list in Excel. Basically, why it need this? You can generate many forms. Like I will show you today in my sheet. I created one, the employee leave application form, and that is very useful for the company HR department, because that time if you put anything wrong it will indicate, either it will not allow you to fill it. So, and you direct after filling that form you can directly send to your HR department so they can access. Let's go to sheet. Thank you. Now, now we can see there the one company from Nigeria, Fishing Company Limited, the Lagos. I created this form for our one of my company. This is showing everything: employee ID number, employee number, leave type, date from and date to, and number of the days. It is formula generated sheet. Now I will teach you how to use the data validation function to create this kind of a drop down list. First, you have to create here like employee. Let me do here EMPLOY employee ID number. Now I just create in front of you so you understand well. Now here either you have to type one by one, but I will create the drop down list. Employee ID. First we have to go data, data validation drop. Now here you put list. Now it is asking for the list in source. Either you have to type employee ID number, either if you have multiple employee ID, so you can copy that sheet, that sheet from and for this one. Let's go. I have one sheet here. Sheet number 2. This is my employee ID. I select from here to here. Now and OK. This employee IDs drop down list is prepared. You can see here everything is there, is given. Second, employee name. Employee name. In if you have a small company, maybe 2, 3, 5 person is working, but if the multiple is the big multinational company, is the 1,500 person are working, and very difficult to you have to type the name one by one. Better you create one list for generating the form. Here employee name, you again go data validation, and here list. I have the list. You can, here the list is given. Employee name I selected and OK. This employee. Now leave type. In a company many type of the leave they are assigning. Like I created the earned leaves, casual leaves, sick leave, and other kind of the leaves, because that time you does not have any choice to choose any other leave. We have some criteria of the leave. You can alter, either you can change any other kind of the leave if your company say this is a different. Now let me show you here. We have to create drop down list from same. Go to data validation, list, and you have to select the list. Here I already created only this one, and go OK. Now date from, because if some employee want to go, which date he want to go. If like sometime while working, if person, you can, if person put the wrong date, then and he send data to HR department, that is very difficult to rectify. So better we have to make some restriction and data validation allow us to give us a specific period for that date. Now let me show you here data validation here. Now here will not check this one, you check date, start date, because this leave form I'm designing from 1st of January 2022 to 31st of December 2022. Here start date 1st January 2022, end date, this end date also 2022, and okay. Now date 2, date 2 means this from which date to which date, same thing, we have to put the restriction, go to data validation, and here in settings we go date, start date 31st December 2022, here also 31st December 2022, and put why. I will show you why it important. Now number of days, because it is also important, because when the HR department making a payroll, either making a record, he must know how many days you go for the leave during the year. Now number of the days, you have to put the formula is equal to sum from date to here close. Now after that you can write the same thing. After filling this form, please send to the this one. I use my one company ID HR to this. Oh, sorry, let me copy it. I create for you now. Now let me show you how to use this one. If I'm the staff of one company and my ID is 1, I take my ID 1, employee name, I have to choose my name Manish, leave type, which leave I want to know, I want to go. Let make it on leaves. Okay, because if you type here, I will show you, if you type like a marriage leave, MARRIAG, marriage, you the dialog box is open, the value does not match the daily validation restriction defined for the cell. You cannot type anyhow, you have to select from the list. Now let's go unleave and date from date, date from date, date, uh-huh, date, 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 like 21st, okay, to 4th, okay, 4th of November to 11th of November 2022. It not allow, because I'm telling you why it's not allow. We go to check it. Uh-huh. 11/11/2022. Here you can see, if I want to go for leave, I have to fill this form and date automatically calculate. I want to go for 7 days, and after that, like if you make in the proper format, this the staff cannot do mistakes. Now let me show you what is the need and what is the good thing in drop down list in data validation. Here, suppose by mistake I put 2nd Feb 2023. What is Dilys box open? Is showing the value does not match the data validation restriction for defined in this cell. This will not accept, but if you do manually, you can type anything. That is the basic things, and that is good thing for a data validation form. Let me make it color so easy for you to understand. I hope you understand this thing well, and any query, please comment me. I will reply you well.